channel, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my everyday makeup routine. And you guys already know how talented I am when it comes to makeup, and honestly I don't like wearing a lot of makeup, and I have already mentioned it in a lot of my videos. So I tend to go for a more natural look, and I just want to mention it that I'm not a professional makeup artist by any means. I'm not telling you guys how to apply makeup or how to do your makeup. It's just what I do to make my face look presentable on an everyday basis. So let's just begin. So firstly, I'll be applying my moisturizer, which is this one. It's the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox. It has grapeseed hydrating mask in double essence. So now I'm gonna be applying my moisturizer all over my face in no particular order, just like this. So next we are going to apply the sunscreen, which is a must. So I'll just take this much and apply it all over my face like this. So next I'm gonna be applying my BB cream, and sometimes I use my foundation too. It just depends on what I have to do throughout the day. If I have to shoot a video, then I'll go for this one, but if I'm just running errands, so I'll just use this one. I'm just gonna take a little bit of BB cream and then apply it like this. I'm going to be using my fingers to blend all of this because I feel more comfortable and hygienic like that. If you want, you can use a beauty blender. So now I'm going to be applying my concealer under my eyes, around my lips, and I don't think there's any other place where I want to apply it, so I forgot to mention here also. Again, I'm going to be blending this with the help of my fingers. Please excuse this sound. Now onto my eyebrows, and earlier I used to use this Maybelline's Nudes palette, and I used to use this brown shade and this grey shade a lot. But now recently I've switched to GIGI Hadid's eyebrow pencil, and I think it is too cool, and it perfectly matches my skin tone and it looks amazing. And this is how I'm gonna apply it. I just fill my brows and that's it. No shaping, nothing. The application is really smooth and really nice, and this video is not at all sponsored. I just love GIGI, so I bought it, and then I thought I'll include it in my video. I think I'm done with my eyebrows. So now onto the blush, and for that I'm going to be using this palette from Maybelline. It is the Master Contour palette. It has this thing to contour your face, and a blush and a highlighter. So I'm just going to be using this blush. I don't like to wear highlighter on a daily basis because I think that's too much. So I'm just going to be applying this blush to add a little bit of color to my face. And for that I'm going to be using Naked's this brush. I don't know which one is it, and I also broke it, so it's a shimmery blush, so I think it works as an highlighter as well. Now onto my eyes, and I am not going to be applying my eyeliner because I guess I've moved on from that winged eyeliner trend, and I do it just when I have to go for weddings, or have to attend an event, or have to look very glammed up. Then only I'll apply eyeliner, but other than that I just use my mascara, which is this one. You can barely see anything written on the packaging because I've used it quite a bit. So I do like to curl my eyelashes on an everyday basis, but I kind of lost my eyelash curler yesterday and I just can't find it, so we're gonna skip So we're gonna skip that step and just move on to applying the mascara. And honestly, I'll tell you, I sometimes don't even apply mascara because I'm a very messy person and I tend to rub my eyes a lot throughout the day. I don't know if it's in habit or what, but I just do that and I'm always left with a face like this. So I kinda avoid it, and I would like to give you guys a tip. If you don't have an eyelash curler or you're too scared to use it, just do this. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, just curl your eyelashes using your fingers and then press them for a while. Just stay there for a second and then you'll be left with eyelashes like this. I know you can barely tell the difference, but they are kind of curled and this will make you look a little bit presentable and will open up your eyes a lot. So now we'll apply the mascara finally. And I'm done. Not yet. Lastly, I'll apply my lip shade, and before that I'd like to apply my lip balm, which is the Lakme's Lip Love in cranberry, I guess. I don't remember, and it is not written on the packaging, so we'll just assume it's the cranberry. Sorry, it's the grape one. I can see it. Here it is. So I'm just gonna apply my lip balm first because you need to keep your lips moisturized. And then I literally use these two lip shades every single day. This is the COLORBAR's Kiss Proof Lip Stain in 007 Hot Latte shade, and this one is Maybelline's Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. Firstly, I'm gonna apply my favorite COLORBAR lip stain. I need a mirror. And then I'll just apply the Maybelline's Lip Gradation right in the center of my lip because I think it makes my lip look a little more fuller. And I guess that's it. That's all I do on an everyday basis. That's my everyday makeup routine, and I think that's really easy for everybody, even for a beginner. It's really easy. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, bye! Hi guys, I'm UPAASANA. Finally! And welcome back to my channel, and you already know when it comes to how talented I physical look, and I think it's okay. I bought it because it has two different colors and two different products in one. That is why. So if you want, you can try it at home. This is what I use. So, oh god, ये क्या हो गया? Just a second. I'll just take. अरे खत्म है क्या? If I have a shoot, I'm going to be using the brushes that have a spoon shape. I don't know the name. I am very I don't really know about a lot of brushes. पता नहीं मैं क्यों इतना बकवास कर रही हूँ. My skin is acting really cute and really nice. There is anywhere else there. So now onto my but now I've started using. Oh my god, I just can't. Sorry. Okay, now onto my brows This Maybelline's Nudes palette. The application is really smooth and really nice, and it has a contouring stuff. It is a face contouring simple. Even if I don't just skip that step, but other than the mascara, so I like to, I guess I've moved on and I just curl. Lastly, I'll apply my lips. So lastly now in the flavor Grape, as if I taste my lip balm. Yeah, I kinda do. My favorite one, the lip balm, ऐसा लग रहा है मैं उड़ जाऊंगी इसको पहन के. Bye.